Hello guys! For today's video, ayan, maghihiwa tayo ng baka. I need to remove the extra fats from this beef. So this is for my nilagang baka. So this is it, and this is the fats that I remove. So ang lalaki. So, throw natin yan. Tapos, ito lang yung ating iluluto. Para di siya masyado mataba, guys. Actually, talaga inaalisan ko siya ng mga fats na ganito. So, ayan. It's ready. Thank you for watching.